Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy messy bun hairstyle on fine hair. To start, I'm just spraying some dry texture spray all throughout the length of the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Next, divide the hair in half and starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop this into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull that ponytail halfway through to create a small loop. Then just repeat it on the right hand side, so start creating your ponytail. On the last turn, only pull it halfway through, so you should have two loops next to each other. Next, I'm going to add some volume and texture powder to both of those loops. And I'm going to slip a couple of fingers through the right hand loop. Take the whole left hand loop and pull it all the way through the right hand loop so they're changing sides. Keep hold of those loops and twist them in opposite directions just once. And then secure all the way around the outside of that little twisted bun with as many bobby pins as needed. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Then I gently loosen up the hair by pinching and pulling around the crown and sides. And to really transform this bun, we're just going to start pinching and pulling every single loop and twist of this hairstyle. The more you pull it, the messier it will look, and it will also increase in volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.